Hello? My name is Juan Pablo the Third. I like a lot of things. I like a big fat mamas, and I like a chicken, and I like, I like a lamb. I like a, I like a, I like a lot of things. I like a chicken. I think I already said that. And I like a yogurt. And I like a babies. I want a baby. And I like a lot of things. I like a